Let's talk about mustard, the bright, unapologetically yellow stuff in a squeezy bottle. It's the king of the hot dog, the sidekick to the pretzel, and the secret weapon in potato salad. We call it French's classic yellow mustard. But calling it just a condiment is like calling a superhero just a person in tights. This sauce is a cornerstone of American food culture, instantly recognizable and always present at barbecues and ball games. But what's actually inside that bottle? How does this iconic yellow sauce come to be? The story starts not in a kitchen but in the vast fields of North America. It's a tale of agriculture, engineering, and a bit of culinary alchemy. The ingredient list is simple: mustard seed, vinegar, salt, spices, and water. Yet creating that perfect flavor and creamy texture, bottle after bottle, is a feat of precision. So let's pull back the curtain and follow the journey of a single mustard seed, from field to bottle. Prepare to see your humble bottle of mustard in a whole new light. Our story begins in the open plains of Canada and the northern US, the heartland of mustard cultivation. Here, white mustard seeds, known as Sinapis alba, are planted in spring and thrive in the cool climate. The fields bloom with yellow flowers, then form pods filled with tiny seeds. As summer ends, the pods dry and turn brown, ready for harvest. Massive combines sweep through, separating seeds from chaff in a noisy, efficient process. The seeds, now called prairie gold, are loaded into trucks and sent to grain elevators for cleaning and storage. Then they're shipped by train and truck to the French's factory in Missouri. This supply chain connects farm to factory, ensuring a steady stream of high-quality seeds. The journey from field to factory is a marvel of modern agriculture, and it's just the beginning of the mustard's transformation. When mustard seeds arrive at the factory, they need a serious cleanup. They're sifted through vibrating screens to remove twigs and stones. Next, an aspirator blows away dust and chaff, leaving only the heaviest, best seeds. Some factories use optical sorters, high-tech machines that spot and eject any imperfect seeds or debris with a puff of air. After this rigorous cleaning, the seeds are stored in massive silos, safe and dry until needed. These silos are the factory's pantry, holding the key ingredient in perfect condition. Only the purest seeds make it to the next stage. The great cleanup is complete. Now, the real magic can begin. The clean seeds move into giant mixing tanks, where the transformation begins. First, water is added for steeping, softening the seeds and prepping them for grinding. Vinegar joins in, delivering that signature tang and acting as a natural preservative. Salt enhances flavor and helps preserve, while turmeric gives French's its iconic yellow color. Other secret spices round out the flavor, but the recipe is a closely guarded secret. The mixture becomes a thick, lumpy slurry, gently agitated so flavors can meld. Every variable, temperature, vinegar ratio, steeping time, is precisely controlled. This is food science at its finest, ensuring every batch starts with the same potential for perfection. The seeds soak, the flavors mingle, and the stage is set for the next transformation. It's a delicate balance of tradition and technology. The result? A slurry ready for its dramatic change. The next step: turning seeds into sauce. Let's see how. Now, the slurry is ready for its most dramatic transformation: grinding. It's pumped into powerful mills, where spinning discs pulverize the seeds into a smooth paste. This process creates the creamy texture we expect from mustard. Grinding also releases an enzyme called myrosinase, which reacts to create mustard's signature bite. Temperature is carefully controlled. Too hot, and the flavor is ruined. After the first grind, the paste may go through finishing mills for an even silkier texture. The result is a perfectly uniform velvety mustard, but at this stage it's still green, raw and a bit harsh in flavor. The final touch requires patience. The paste needs time to mellow and mature. Only then does it become the mustard we know and love. The transformation from seed to sauce is nearly complete. But one crucial step remains. The fresh mustard paste is pumped into holding tanks for maturation. This resting period lets the flavors mellow and blend, turning sharpness into harmony. The temperature is carefully controlled for consistency. Quality control teams sample the mustard regularly, testing texture, acidity, color, and, most importantly, taste. Expert tasters ensure every batch meets French's gold standard. Only when the flavor is perfectly balanced does the mustard move on. This patient process transforms a simple mixture into a classic condiment. Every batch is tested, tasted, and approved. The result? A mustard that's always just right. Now, it's ready for its final journey. Next stop, the bottling line. Let's see how it gets from tank to table. The matured mustard is ready for bottling, a high-speed, automated marvel. Bottles are cleaned, lined up and filled with precise amounts of mustard by rotary machines. No drip nozzles ensure a clean, efficient fill. Hundreds of bottles per minute. Caps are sealed tight, locking in freshness and flavor. Bottles pass through metal detectors for safety, then get labeled and stamped with batch codes. Robotic arms pack them into cases, ready for shipping. Pallets are wrapped and sent to warehouses destined for stores and stadiums everywhere. The journey from seed to shelf is complete, all thanks to this high-speed dance of machinery. Mustard isn't just about flavor, it has surprising health perks. Mustard seeds are rich in minerals like selenium and magnesium. The grinding process creates isothiocyanates, compounds linked to anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric adds curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. Vinegar may help regulate blood sugar and promote fullness. Best of all, classic yellow mustard is low in calories, fat, and cholesterol. It's a guilt-free way to add big flavor to your food. Compared to mayo or creamy dressings, mustard is a healthy choice. Every squeeze delivers a little boost of nutrition. So next time you reach for mustard, know you're adding more than just taste. It's a tiny health upgrade in every bite. So there you have it, the epic journey of French's classic yellow mustard. From prairie seed to factory, from science to tradition, every step is a marvel of precision. Seeds are cleaned, steeped, spiced, ground, and matured with care. Quality is tested at every stage, ensuring the perfect flavor in every bottle. The bottling line seals the deal, delivering a consistent classic to tables everywhere. It's more than just mustard, it's a culinary icon. The next time you squeeze that yellow bottle, remember the journey behind it. Think of the farmers, engineers, and tasters who made it possible. That golden sauce is a testament to expertise, tradition, and a love of flavor. It's not just a condiment, it's a little bottle of sunshine.